Hello student, welcome you all once again in my mathematics channel. As you know that on this channel I continuously upload the videos related to the class 12th, 11th and 10th mathematics. So please subscribe my channel for giving me the more motivation and share my channel so that this channel can reach up to the needed student. So let us see today in today's lecture I want to discuss with you what is second order derivative. So what is second order derivative? Student, you know that y is equal to fx is there is a function. If you will differentiate with respect to x, then we get from here it is dy by dx is equal to f dash x. We can also call this it is y dash. We can also represent, in some books you may find it is y1. So like this is the representation of given function differentiation with respect to x one time. Sorry. So we can say differentiation of a function y is equal to fx one time if we are doing with respect to x if we are doing, so we represent like this. So we represent like it may be y1, it may be y dash, it is also like y dash f dash x, it is also represented like dy upon dx. All are the synonyms of the same thing, like we find dy upon dx. Like here you can understand from here dy by dx, these are the synonyms of the same thing. If one more time, if suppose dy by dx you will differentiate with respect to x one more time, so differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x, again from here you will find like it is d upon dx, dy by dx, it is equal to, we can call d2y dx square. This is only represented like we can also call f double dash x. We may also represent like y double dash, and in some book, in some particular question, it is also maybe written like y2. So these are the synonyms of the second order derivative, which is our today's topic. So we want to learn what is and how to find second order derivative. So I'll just take very simple example, very simple procedure so that everyone can understand easily. See student, suppose one journal example I am taking, like it is given maybe 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5, there is one polynomial. We want to find the differentiation of this with respect to x two times, second order derivative we want to find. So first of all we will find what is dy by dx, it is 9x square plus 8x. Then once again if you will differentiate, you will find from here d2y upon dx square, here it is 18x plus 8. So like this is the second order derivative, this is first order derivative. This you can call even f dash x, this you can call f double dash x also. So I hope it is clear. Let me take now one more question. See, I am just taking one question. If it is given like y is equal to, there is one question I have taken, y is equal to, this question I am taking from some textbook. So it is y is equal to given 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, and you need to show, he is asking, so that x y2, so that it is x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. See student, here y2 is coming, it means you need to calculate, find what is d2y dx square. Here y1 is coming, means we will have to find what is dy by dx. Y is already given, so we can start our question from y only. We will find first of all what is dy by dx. From dy by dx we will find what is d2y upon dx square. So let us see how we can find out this. So we can solve this from here. So this part I am writing again, y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, and if I will find from here what is dy by dx, then you can write it is minus 3 sin log x, and differentiation of the log x is 1 upon x, plus 4 cos log x, differentiation is 1 upon x. And if you will take x LCM, then you can also write dy by dx is equal to, by taking x LCM, it is minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. This x you can even multiply here also. So I am writing this x dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. See, from here you can call this even, if you want to write some name to this equation, you can call it 1. And once again, if 1, we will differentiate with respect to y. So what I am doing, differentiate 1 with respect to x. With respect to x we will have to differentiate. So what we will get from here, this is product rule we will have to apply. This is one function x, another function dy by dx. So here for finding differentiation once again with respect to x, we will have to use product rule. So how we will use, first function differentiation is 1, second function as is it, second function differentiation is d2y upon dx square into first function as is it is x. So this is left hand side part, and see now the right hand side again you will differentiate. It is, you can write minus 3 cos log x upon x minus 4 sin log x upon x. See, I hope it is clear. And this again we can write now, we can write in this form x d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx is equal to, I am taking LCM x again, minus I can take common, so it is 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. See student, I hope it is clear. I will multiply, cross multiply again, this x I will multiply here. So it will be now x square d2y upon dx square plus x dy by dx equal to minus y. How it is minus y? You can call this equation 1. You can call this one, you can call this is 2. So here you can say 2. So why? This is why, because this value I have taken from equation number 1. I am writing here it is by 1. So if you will rearrange, transpose this x square, see this you can also represent by y2, and this dy by dx you can represent by y1 plus y is equal to 0. This only required result he wanted to ask to be proved. So I hope you understood this. This is called second order derivative. See student, like this we can even find nth order derivative also, but that is beyond the scope of your syllabus. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe it, share it, and give me the comment so that I can get the motivation. Thank you.